What's up, guys? So today we're going to talk about camera gear and where you can buy it and how much it'll cost you and all this great stuff that we just need to know as photographers and photographers starting out in this world of photography. So I don't know how many more times I could say photography, but let's start. My name is Matthew Durnin. I'm a photographer here in New York City. I do headshots, portraits, and landscape photography. And every time I say photography, take a shot because it'll be a fun game to play. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila, floor. So anyway, yeah, I'm a photographer in New York City. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notification bell button so you get notified every time a video comes out. And let's get started. How much we want to spend? How much we want to spend when we start off photography? We want to buy a whole ginormous professional setup, which you're more than welcome to do, but starting off, you don't want to spend that much. You want to learn everything you can about what you have, which was my goal when I started. I bought a very cheap start-off camera kit that cost me about $500, which the starter ones usually start around $500, between $400 and $500 for the start. I bought a Canon T-Rebel, short lens, a long lens, a short lens, 55mm. And I learned everything I could about it, and I pushed the limits on it because I always shot in manual, which you can watch that video up here. I'll leave the link right here. I wanted to learn that camera so well, push the boundaries on try to fool better photographers, professional photographers, talking about it. That's what I wanted to hear. Going in the right direction. I got to that So they start around $500, $400, $500, and it goes up from there. You can go all the way up to $6,000 and more. So now, where to buy this stuff? Where do you want to buy the camera? There's 3 places I recommend you getting them from. One, buy it from Adorama, and I guess 1.2, whatever. Adorama and B&H. They both have a huge staff. Both stores are amazing. They're both located right here in New York City. And the staff has a crazy amount of knowledge, and if they don't, they will get someone else, and they will find the knowledge for you and they'll help you figure this out. Excuse me. They will help you figure this out. Yeah, so Adorama and B&H will help you figure out all that stuff, all that jazz, all that good stuff and good loving. And when you're also on their website, even in the store, I noticed with Adorama, they will help you more. I've noticed this more in Adorama than B&H. Even in the store, they will do this thing where if you're ordering it online, when you're ordering it online yourself, you can hit the item you want. So say you're looking to get a Canon R, you hit it and it shows you that. And then on the right side, it'll show you bundle deals that you can do. There's a lot of the Canon R is around $1,600, so they will show you bundle deals for $1,600 of extra goodies to get for free, which is great. It'll come with some lens filters, some little protective things, some memory slot holders, a bunch of things. Usually they're random, so I can't name them all because it's always random every time I buy something for there. But they will give you stuff, and B&H has that option on their website as well. Adorama will tell you about it in person. I've never heard anyone B&H mention any of this to me because they just never offered me that stuff before. But both stores have crazy amount of knowledge. They both have a lot of stuff. They both will match the price. If you find it cheaper somewhere else, they will match the price, so they make the money and you get to work with them more often, which is nice. And you get points with these places too. They have a rewards point system, which is really great. And as I'm talking, I am somehow magically screen recording the website and showing you how to do the stuff and do the bundles and showing you the different bundle deals and putting it on the screen at the same time. So I'm not sure how I'm editing this, but I know it's gonna be in there so you guys can see it. So let's talk about the third place to buy camera gear. And I was actually a little surprised about how safe it is to buy camera gear off of this website, and it's eBay. eBay, you can buy amazing camera gear and not get screwed, because that's what I always was afraid of. And I know a lot of people are afraid of is when you order on eBay, especially if you pay a lot of money for something on eBay, that when you get it, it's not what it was supposed to be. And the seller lied to you, and then the seller deletes their account, and they're no longer a human being. There's something from the stars. So eBay will protect you. And I learned this back in May in Florida for my birthday. I saw these photographers in Disney, and there is regular photographers like us. They weren't the workers at the park, and they had big professional gear. And I went up to talk to them about this gear, and they were like, "Oh, well, they let me try it. They were so nice. They let me try it." And that's the great thing about photographers. Uh, you can recognize someone that's genuinely a really good person, and they're not going to run away with your gear, which is they trusted me to not run away with their gear. And it was really great, great, great gear that I want someday, but not right now because I don't need it right now. But anyway, they told me they bought all this stuff off of eBay, and the gear they had was worth tons of money, which is you would want to get it from B&H or Adorama, which both those stores have used items as well. But on eBay, the one of the this guy Patrick, he did get screwed on eBay, and he had a lens that I remember it was roughly around $6,000 it cost if you bought it new from the store. He bought it used off a guy on eBay, and the lens he paid maybe $1,300 for, and he got screwed. It was a total dud. The lens was cracked. There were some problems going on with it, and he wasn't able to get his money back. But he talked to eBay, and eBay will protect you, and they will get you your money back, and then you can sometimes keep the item apparently, which sounds nice too. If your lens is cracked, but it helps, and that person will get removed or blocked from being a seller on eBay. And then I bought it. I did the same thing. I bought this lens. This lens is a 16 to 35 millimeter lens. It's what is this? Is it a f2L red ring series lens? And this lens, what does this lens cost? I think I paid this lens, if you were to buy it new in the store, it's around $2,200, and I paid I paid 550 for this lens. And hey, if I got screwed, I could write to eBay and they would have protected me, but it was actually a great lens. There was nothing wrong with it at all. It was just it even came with the box. It came with a little leather pouch it came with too. It was just a great thing. I was like, wow, I am going to start recommending eBay to everyone and ordering my camera gear. A lot of my camera gear will still come from the Adorama B&H, but for some special things, I'll get it from eBay if the price is right. And why not? Why not save the money? Because it doesn't matter if it's brand new, as long as it takes a great image. That's all you need to know. And yeah, I think that's basically it. That's all you need to know is Adorama, B&H, and eBay. Those three places, great places to buy cameras from, lenses and camera gear. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up or give me a thumbs down if you didn't like it, and then I'll know to do better stuff next time. Hit that bell notification so you get notified with the future videos, and subscribe to the channel. And it helps me grow and encourages me more to make more videos for you guys. And I will see you next week in the next video, and you'll be surprised what that is, because I don't know what that is yet, but it'll be fun and we'll all like it, and I'll like it at least. So have a great day and be safe. Bye.